I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we are going to remove the audio from a clip in Premiere Pro. So let's rock and roll. I have Premiere open. I'm going to just drag and drop my video into the timeline. Now we got what we want. Let's remove the audio. I'm just going to click on the clip and then right click, and we want to unlink. That will unlink the audio from the video. Now we can select just the audio by itself, hit the delete key, and it's just that easy. I have been Eric Polley. You have been you. That is how you remove the audio from your video clip, and I will see you on the next one. Keep it real.